Ginobili inside the Duncan. Back to Ginobili. Ginobili out of control. Throws to Riley. A double foul team. Manu Ginobili left his feet. And a critical turnover with 23.5 remaining.
Well, just a straight basket cut that the Heat switched. Good play by Bosch, and the steal by James on the ill-advised pass by Ginobili. And whenever they shoot everybody, when a guy shoots a free throw, I think it makes people more nervous. I'd rather have everyone screaming than shooting.
They're just not used to the quiet. 5-point game with 23:45. Remember, game 6 was a 5-point game with just over 21 seconds remaining. The team in San Antonio has just one timeout left.
And they're not going to take it, I wouldn't think, right here. I think they would play off the make or the miss.
Game 7 for 7 from the free throw line. Clutch foul shots for the Heat. Six-point game. Ginobili, long three. Way off the mark. Rebound Ray. Down by Green. They're ready to celebrate here in Miami. And Wade up the line. His first free throws of the night. That makes it a first possession game. And this for Miami, the largest lead of the night. Matty kicks it up to Towers. Wade throws it up to James. The Spurs will not foul. 5 seconds. What a finish. It's back-to-back titles for the Heat. The 2013 NBA Championship resides once again in Miami. What a wonderful display of sportsmanship and class from Greg Popovich and the San Antonio Spurs. LeBron James earns his second ring as the Heat repeat and secure their third championship in franchise history. A heartbreaking ending in what was a marvelous season for the San Antonio Spurs. 2 games right there in the final minutes and the final seconds. As Tim Duncan comes up just short for his 5th championship. Much more to come here from Miami. The spectacular NBA Finals. Miami Heat are NBA champions.